Boom. He flicked me off again! That means be in between the fingers. You can't understand that. I'll underline it for you. Which means that. So he flicked me off. See? I told you she was a problem. This is Kyle.
Hi.
Isn't his eye weird? Well, that's just creepy. It looks like a fish eye. I'm not done. There's Beepy. Don't run! Don't run, Beepy! Especially without scissors. That's a... There's a picture. There's my mom.
Uh-oh, don't you dare. Why is he hopping?
Because he's stalking me. Little stalker. That's Beep Darn. He said the hop away from you. You sitting right here, he went. Mama.
Kyle, get the frickin' cord up.
Just quick. Just quick.
Get the cord up.
I'm just getting recorded.
No, don't. Get it picked up. Get us to.
All liabilities to my room. I hope you know that. And all the copyrights I was gonna give you.
And why is it cold? You guys have laundry to do.
God.
Did you hear her?
No, I didn't.
Laundry! I have recording.
Wait.
Look at that success. And we end with Peach's Vicious.